Hi, I'm Steve Hoffman, and I want to help you take years off of learning how to run a highly profitable practice while taking back your time and freedom. I know, because I struggled for many years in a practice that was barely keeping me afloat. Then I invested in myself and my practice and studied with the right people and finally learned how to run a clinic filled with happy patients, getting great results and generating 5 times what I had been making. Last year I made over $500,000 working just 15 hours a week in my clinic. Now I'm teaching practitioners just like you the methods, procedures, and processes that made it all possible, and all in a fraction of the time that it took me. Today I want to talk to you about honesty. We've all been there. You're in a consultation with a patient sitting across from you, and you know you can help them, but you're reluctant to tell them that you'll need to see them 2 or even 3 times a week. You're afraid they won't want to pay you, and you don't want to give them sticker shock. So you sign them up to do 1 treatment. Then you're anxiously treating this patient, hoping, maybe even praying, that you'll get some kind of result. Pulling out all the stops, talking to them the whole time, trying to persuade them of how great the medicine is, only to have them leave saying they'll think about it after you spent 45 minutes on a consultation and an hour treating them. And you know what? This patient will likely never return. They will never get the relief they could have. They will never let all their friends and neighbors know what acupuncture can do. And you're left feeling rejected, maybe a little depressed. Your confidence is shot, and you're gonna bring that energy into the next room with your next patient. Now, what if you were upfront and honest with the patient? You outline a comprehensive treatment plan, twice a week for a month, or even 3 times a week for a month. You're completely transparent and tell them exactly what this plan will cost. And you let them decide. You don't try and talk them into anything. You've been completely honest, told them what you can do and what they need to do to get better. All in about 10 minutes. They sign up and you get to work. You don't have to scramble and try to fix everything in 1 treatment. Heck, you don't even really care if they get an immediate result because you know the treatment that you've done is going to set the stage for lasting improvement and better results. You don't have to worry about the end of the treatment or about scheduling because they've scheduled out for the next month. This patient is committed. They are committed to their health, they're committed to getting better, and they will take your recommendations seriously. And at the end of the month, you have a patient that's typically 70, 80% better. They're convinced that the medicine works and that you can help them. You move on to continued care to get more progress or maybe maintenance so that they can hold their gains. In this scenario, you're left feeling confident, fulfilled, happy to be practicing. Your cash flow gets turned on its head because patients like this pay up front, alleviating the constant money worries. This is why you are upfront and honest. It's better for the patient outcomes and it's better for you. Those who don't sign up, these are the people who wanted to try it. The people who are looking for a miracle in 1 treatment. The people who are never going to commit to actually getting better. In short, the very people you don't want in your practice. They're a drain on you, your resources, and they will affect everyone you treat. This is what I teach in my Acupuncture Business Mastery program. Try it tomorrow. Take your confidence back and get back to doing what you love to do, getting people better.